Good morning everyone. So in this tutorial we'll see how can we replace a text in Google Ads. So first we open the campaign and then we go to the ads section. When we see all ads, the first thing we need to know the ad type. This is text ads, expanded text ads. So this we'll need this later. The second thing to know what part of the ad we need to replace. So in this example we'll replace the second headline, this one. We need to replace this one with another text. So we just copy the text that we need to replace, and then we go to we select all the ads that we will need to apply this setting on, and then we choose change ads, and then we choose the ad type, text ads as we said, and then find and replace. In this section we better select all headlines and description, so it replaces the keyword in all the areas of the ad, or the parts of the ad it will find it. So here we passed the text to be replaced, and here we passed the new setting. One thing to note here is that the new text should be the same length of the old text, otherwise it will refuse to replace it because it will say the text is too long. So let's try this now and see if it will work. Okay, it did only one update. But as we can see, it didn't replace in other text. So let's say why. Yes, for some reason the text we need to replace was mentioned in different phrases. So we'll try again, and this time we'll try to be more precise to put exactly the keyword we need to replace. So only one update. So it seems that there is multiple variation of this text. So we'll try again to see what else can we replace. And also remember that there is other type of text ad. The first time it was text ad, now it's responsive search ad. So we'll try to do the same exercise with responsive search ad. Okay. In this time, we'll choose to replace responsive search ad with the same. All the steps are the same, except this time we selected make changes to responsive text ads. Let's see how many times we will do this. How many replacements we'll do this time. Okay, this text is too long here, so we'll do same again and just choose a shorter text this time. It's in Arabic, but I'm writing something like call now. So it's shorter in number of characters than the one we removed. So now we did five updates. So let's see if there is any other. Now we replaced all the mentions of the text that we need to remove from this ad. Have a nice day, and see you in the next tutorial.